The hungry food tourist, tasting the dishes of the world. All that food looked so delicious. He was just waiting to sit down, to have a long and delightful feast. John was a culinary tourist. He traveled from east to west. Eating the dishes of the world was what he always loved the best. He tasted dishes from around the globe, from India, China, Thailand, and Spain, from Venezuela to the African plain. John was the hungry food tourist, making the food videos he loved best. On every trip, he had a new girlfriend. Not every girl could tolerate his eating. Every dish in existence is food without end. He tasted the best of world cuisine, some rare dishes he had never before seen. His eyes would light up with pure delight as new dishes appeared in his hungry sight. He was fortunate to find on YouTube one day Sarah, the food blogger with food on her mind. A better lover and soulmate he would never find. They traveled the world with their growing family, living, loving, and enjoying everything culinary.